Order filled.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today is Friday, September 20th, 2024, and we're going up with QQQ. H pattern slingshot. H pattern close enough slingshot. 555 moving average bounce, H pattern.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $1 move, ladies and gentlemen. What we're going to do is we're going to lock in half our gains, and as always, we're going to play it bar by bar. Once the price gets past this price range, we're going to wait for the retrace, and then after the retrace, once it starts to take off again, we'll lock in that $1 move. Right now, we'll go to 75 cents guaranteed locked in, but we're not going to go to that full dollar just in case the retrace comes sooner rather than later, meaning it's going to retrace now instead of increase in price, go up to about a 481.75, 482 price range area, and then retrace from there. If the price retraces before 482, right around here, we might pull back into the 21 moving average as it's inclining to draw enough power to not only break the 200 moving average on the 2-minute chart, but also get up to the 482.25, 482.50 area, and then proceed to move on higher. What we want to see is a strong but yet healthy retrace. So I'm expecting the retrace to come anywhere within the 1/4, 1/3 area. If it gets down to that area, holds, that's roughly around the 21 moving average on our 5-minute chart, and we have a statistical high probability of continuing on. Again, we don't have quite the retrace yet, so we're just going to be patient and keep our stop at 75 cents guaranteed locked in. And then once we actually have an official retrace, so we're still in an impulse wave, we're waiting for a corrective wave. Once we can establish and also measure the corrective wave, then we can make a strategy and plan dynamically to manage bar by bar. All right, so we impulsed up, went up to here. This is the corrective wave that we were waiting for, I should say. So, as you can see, right around the 482.22 area, which is a $2 move, that is roughly around a 50 to 61.8% of the actual first impulse move. All right. So once this price exceeds the 481.75 area, going up to the 482 area, we'll lock in that guaranteed $1 at that point. That's what we're waiting for. And then we're looking for the price to jump above the 200 moving average on our 2-minute chart and get up to that 482.25, 482.50 area next. Let's add the Fibonacci extension tool to the 2-minute chart so we can free up some acreage on our 1-minute chart so we can see a little bit better. Let me show you by measuring. All right. So that was the retrace. If we go higher than the highest high from the last 20 minutes, that's the next area that the price is going to run up to, statistically speaking.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $2 move, ladies and gentlemen. What we're going to do is we're going to lock in $1.50, and we're going to see how this reacts to the 482.50 area, and then manage it bar by bar. If this corrective wave stays within the 50% retrace area, there'll be a statistical strong probability that it will return to the 483 area, if not beyond. So what we're going to do is we're going to wait a while, let this settle, and we're going to see how the price reacts. But again, if it stays within that 50% retrace area on this corrective wave, the statistical odds of this price continually climb is very high. Impulse, correct, expecting an impulse all the way up to the high of the 5-minute, if not up to the high of the day. On our 1 minute, our power moving averages are widening. And on our 2 minute, our power moving averages are a narrow state. So we're going to go from a narrow state to a widening state here soon, which is a very good indication that this price still has strength to the upside.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $3 move, ladies and gentlemen. What we're going to do is we're going to lock in a guaranteed $2.75 move. And I want to see how this price reacts to the high of the day, which is 483.63. If we get up to there and there's little to no follow through, we're just going to be on the close button and pull our profits at that point.
Order fill.
And there's about a $4.43 move on QQQ today. As always, never forget, be a pro.